Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok video as a draft without posting the video itself. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. Then you want to click on the plus sign on the lower settings bar. And let's together select something that we want to post. Let's pick this one over here. Now we already created something that we want to upload, right? The main scoop over here is that you want to proceed after you've done all the editings, all the filters, all the templates, you adjusted the captions, the voiceovers, right? You move to the next step. Very important over here, you can actually finish the whole post right before the completion. You can actually save it as a draft. Let's pretend this is the post we're gonna do. You finish with all the hashtags, right? Whatever. And then we move over here, we include the location. But then we decide, okay, that's the post is not complete. We're waiting for something. Maybe our viewers are not online. How are we gonna save it? You're gonna click on the lower left side where it says drafts. When you actually save it as a draft, your post will appear. I can refresh my profile on TikTok. You can see that your post will appear as a number one. It will actually move even pin post on your account as a reminder that next time when you are on your profile, you're going to see that you have this post as a draft, so you can actually proceed and publish the particular video or photo. Now the question probably is how you can actually post it and complete the process, right? You want to click on it. Then you want to click on it itself. You want to click on the select, and then you're going to click on the actual video, right? This is how you're going to go about it if you really want to delete the video. If you want to publish the video, you want to deselect, you want to cancel on top, you want to first click on the video. Then you click next, and then you click post. So very important. The main difference between both actions is that action number one, if you want to proceed and complete the process of publishing, first thing you want to click on the video itself. The other way, if you want to delete it, first you have to click select, then you have to select the video and then you hit delete. Please guys, pay very close attention to each and every step so you can get as many possible positive outcomes of your posting. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.